Good evening everyone, this is Labhyans and you're watching Labhyans YouTube channel. You can see that behind Sambhu is there. And
I am Sam. Hi.
sorry for that, I'm looking here and there because there are lots of potholes in the road. I think some construction work is being done, so that's why I'm looking here and there too. Oh, thank you so much taking my bag, Sambhu. And now I am free. I will make video for you. And you haven't watched my video yesterday and day before yesterday, please watch my video. I uploaded so many video. Just I had my dinner and walking on the road. If you don't have habit to walking after dinner, so please become a habit. You make a habit of it. It is a very good for health. After dinner you should also walk and then sleep, because you know when you walk, then after walking you go on bed, and as you go on bed you suddenly feel sleepy. So that's why, and that is for health, it is also good. That's why I'm walking. And not only me, lots of people walk. Look at road. And I think that is one of IT company, John F. Welk Technology Center. I don't know which company it is, but as far as I know, it is IT company. And if you know more about it, tell me in my comment box. Look at, and so many trees are there, and you can see two people are coming. And I have seen one thing in Bangalore, they save the tree, they do not cut tree. And wherever you go you will find out lots of tree. And I think cause of tree weather is very good in Bangalore. You find out every time neutral weather, no hot, no cold. You will like you can see that just I'm wearing a t-shirt. If you are from North India side, you know very well about it. They are too much cold, and during summertime too hot. But this, and if you are Bangalore, Hyderabad staying in, then you know about it. Weather is very good. You will find out always neutral weather. You will not face as we face in our north side. So because of that, I think that's why people like to stay. And by the way, and like good education system, and everything is a very, you will find out advanced technology, good colleges, schools, and peoples. I think I'm not telling that our people are good, not good. Our people are also good, but living standard is very good in Bangalore or Hyderabad, these type places. That's why people migrate from Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, and stay here and do some work. So sorry for that, just I come at my room. And yeah, I was talking to you like living high standard living. Yes, when we talk about living, then if you are living in Bangalore, then living of cost is also very high. You know, just staying in one room you need to pay approximately 8 to 9,000, or not. It is not a very big room, just a very small size room, just very like one RK room. And living cost is very high. And you know one thing, when you talk to your room owner in Bangalore, they talk with you very rude way. Just they will tell you, you want room or not. If you want, you need to pay extra 20,000, 30,000, then you will stay. Even I am staying. I paid him 20,000 extra amount money. Then I am staying. So do not expect that. It is if you are living in Bangalore, then it is a very costly, and you know about it very well, about water. And I think in Bangalore, wherever you are, it is like shortage of water or what, I don't know. But I have talked many people and they speak out to me. Wherever you are staying in Bangalore, you will face lots of water issue. You will get water on time after certain period of time. After certain time, like 1-2 hour, water will close. So these type problem we face in Bangalore. And yeah, we, as we know that wherever you are, we, there are two things, pros and cons too. So if there is, you are getting something profit, then there is something you are losing too. So thank you so much watching my video so far. If you are learning English and haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe, do not forget it, and practice English with me as I am practice, have you, as you have seen. And just I would say that if you are learning, then do not skip even one day. Practice every day. Practice is key to speak English and learn English. Thank you so much. Good night. Have a great evening ahead, and see you in next vlog. Bye.